Welcome to Italy, the land where history, art, and culinary wonders come together to create a magical experience like no other. From the rolling vineyards of Tuscany to the bustling streets of Rome, Italy offers a treasure trove of unforgettable attractions. Picture this, standing in awe at the Colosseum, a grand testament to ancient Roman engineering, where gladiators once fought for glory, or wandering through the cobblestone streets of Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance, and marveling at Michelangelo's David or Botticelli's The Birth of Venus. Then there's Venice, an enchanting city of canals. Glide on a gondola under the iconic Rialto Bridge and lose yourself in the romantic maze of narrow alleys and hidden squares. Or perhaps Milan, the fashion capital, where contemporary elegance meets timeless architecture, like the magnificent Duomo Cathedral. And let's not forget the Amalfi Coast, with its cliffside villages, azure waters, and